Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another great episode. You are here for part 2 of how to do a budget-friendly kitchen renovation with before and after pictures. Only today, instead of talking about essentials, which was last week, we're going to be talking about nice-to-have items and the bells and whistles that you might want to add to that kitchen renovation. So let's get started. For budget-friendly home improvement advice where we help you save more so that you can do more. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you can be notified each week when we have a new episode. So now we're going to discuss the nice-to-have portions of a kitchen renovation. Again, if your budget is on the smaller side, or maybe these are not important to you, then these are items that you're going to be able to save some money on. But let's go ahead and do nice to have. And again, this is just my opinion. Maybe you differ, but here we go. A dishwasher. For me, it was a must-have, but I didn't have it in several kitchens, and you can deal without it. You can deal without it if you're trying to watch your budget until you're able to get it in there. Always save a little slot for it. Just saying. Drawer knobs and pulls. I had a kitchen that didn't have any drawer knobs, and it was the basic, cheap, very inexpensive, right off the shelf from Lowe's, and you can live like that. You can get your kitchen done from before and after quite inexpensively, and you can add those later. So that's a nice to have, add them later. Specialty drawers. Now this has become an art form, and I'm going to show you some pictures. I didn't have these options. I didn't put these options on my list because I was trying to stay within our budget when we did this renovation. But as I have gone back to stores and helped other clients with their kitchen renovations, I'm like, oh, this is super cool. And plus, when I polled my audience, they told me that these were things that were like must have now. And I thought, okay, I can actually deal with that. But it's drawers that you can adjust the pegs in order to be able to put your plates, and they're pull-outs. Instead of cabinets, they're drawers. And so I call them specialty drawers. A garbage that fits in your cabinets is a specialty drawer. I had a friend once who had a KitchenAid stand that would, it was a slider, and it slid down in and then it slid up, and you never had to move it, you just pushed it down. I thought that was awesome. You can still do the trend from 10, 20 years ago was to have a corner cabinet and all of your items fit in there, and then you just put a little slider door over it. So I'm just saying specialty drawers in general, KitchenAid, racks. For those of you who bake a lot, they have drawers now that have areas that will divide your cookie sheets or pie sheets or whatever you have that you're stacking, and that's a specialty drawer. I think it's awesome, and it will jack your price up per specialty drawer that you get, but again, your budget is your budget. You get to decide. Islands. A lot of times people want to incorporate an island into their kitchen, and that adds cost because you're adding cabinets underneath of it, and you're adding another area of countertop. Again, I love an island. I think that they are an essential part of a kitchen if you plan to be in your kitchen a lot, but I would still put it as a nice to have. It's not necessarily an essential to a kitchen renovation at first. Window dressings, so curtains, blinds, valances, whatever you want to call, those are nice to have. Depending on where you live too, it might be really nice to have, but we're just putting it in that category. And the last thing is seating, either bar stool seating, which I have across here on my countertop, or a specialty seat that is built in. Again, if you're customizing your kitchen from before and after, you can still do this pretty. You can put your seating at fairly expensive or fairly inexpensive, depending on what kind of chairs. Again, we'll talk about that later. But this is nice to have when you're doing a kitchen renovation. And you do want to think about, is this going to be part of your after picture? And we're going to talk a little bit about that in a couple more segments. So we're to the bells and whistles section, which to me is, I love looking at Pinterest, and I love looking at other people's before and after projects to see what things they put in it to just make it, I don't know, more customized or more homey or more opulent, whatever word fits you. But the bells and whistles are, to me, some fun things to add to a kitchen. And again, we need to watch our budget, because bells and whistles, maybe you need to save a little bit on the essentials and the nice to have so that you can have some of these bells and whistles. But let's talk about them first. A garbage disposal. One of my friends emailed back and said, must have. I haven't had a garbage disposal since I was a kid, and I don't miss it, but for her, it was an essential. So I thought that was interesting, bells and whistles. I'd like it. We're wired for it. I just haven't picked it out yet. I had too many choices. And you might get there, but you're gonna get there faster than I did because you'll have my list to help you stay on track. Second thing is pot racks. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'll take a picture of it. It's right above me. But my pot rack was my husband's first DIY project when we could not decide on how we wanted to use our gift cards from our wedding. There was this store and I loved it and I wanted this pot rack. I'd always wanted a pot rack. I'd seen them in pictures, magazines. It's almost like it never goes out of style in some regards. And you might disagree with me, but I love a pot rack. And my husband saw that the price tag was going to be $200 or more, and he looked at me and he said, I'll make that. And he went home and by golly, he made me a pot rack, and then he had water jetted into it our last name. It's one of my favorite pieces of my kitchen. Is it a bells and whistles? Yes, I did not need that pot rack when we were just getting married. I wanted it. And so we saved money by doing a DIY project, which we're going to talk about that a little bit later. A pantry. Sometimes, and I'll use behind me, I designed the area around my refrigerator to serve as a pantry because I did not want it as a separate room. I have several friends who have it as a separate room, and it's nice to have, obviously. Everybody wants a place to be able to put their, I have lived in several kitchens that did not have any storage whatsoever, so a pantry is a great thing, but I think it is bells and whistles for the excessiveness that you can go. So, especially lighting. This is when like you open up the doors of your cabinets and lighting comes on. I love the idea. Also, maybe underneath your cabinets, I'll show you that in a little later. We have specialty lighting underneath of it, and it's like a little light show at night sometimes. My nieces just stayed overnight the other night, and I found it circulating through all the different colors, like all 35 colors when I woke up in the morning. So, yeah, that's fun, but again, bells and whistles. Backsplash. I love a good backsplash. You know, I've talked about it more than one occasion about the jewelry of the kitchen, but again, it's a bells and whistles thing. You can save money on it as a DIY project. I will put a card up here so that I never know where to point because they come there. It's a card up above, and you can click on it to see the different backsplashes that we've done, but you can spend a lot of money on a backsplash. That's why I think it's a bells and whistles portion, because you don't need it to function in your kitchen. And last is a cabinet organizer. I have a friend, her name is Abby Lawson. She does Just a Girl in her blog, and she is amazing at kitchen organization. I often will follow her blog and use a couple of her points at a time. She also has some courses that do organizations that are quite inexpensive. If you're interested in doing that, I'll link to that below as well. But as far as bells and whistles, get your kitchen renovation in place and then start to think about, or in the process, think about saving some extra money in order to do that organization so that your kitchen stays your happy place because you know where everything is. So we've talked about essentials, nice to have, bells and whistles, and now we're going to talk about some of these things on here that we think you can do as DIY projects or as contracting, hire a contractor. So stay tuned for the next little portion. So to wrap things up, we've broken down the budget-friendly kitchen renovation into 3 categories: essentials, nice to have, and bells and whistles. And we're gonna do before and after, how you start with the blank surface and get to the after, going through these 25 categories. They're gonna be individualized, they're gonna be to your budget, they're going to be to your tastes and preferences, all of those things. But this was the overview that we could offer you today. We hope that you got some value out of it, and make sure, again, that you go down and download the ultimate home improvement guide that we have for you that'll talk about each one of these categories. So we'll look forward to seeing you in the next episode.